Today, I'll show you how to cast your Android phone screen to your PC or laptop for free in 2025. First, open any web browser and then type to search Scrcpy. Click to open this first link. Now move down on Get the App option. Select the operating system that you are using, like Windows. Again, move down and click to download 64 or 32-bit depending on your version. Click to start download. After downloading, click to open the folder. Now right-click and then select Extract All. When done, select to cut this folder. Open this PC. Open local disk C. Now paste the file here. Click to open it. Connect your phone to the computer via USB cable. First, click on this Scrcpy No Console option. On the phone, you will get a prompt, so just allow. Now, we need to enable USB debugging option on the phone. Swipe to open apps. Tap on Settings icon. Move down and tap on About Phone. On Samsung, tap on Software Information. Next, double tap on Build Number option continuously until you see Developer Mode has turned on the screen. Now move back. Tap on Developer Options. Move down to find USB debugging option. Here you can see it's off. Tap to turn it on. Here tap on OK. Now on your PC or laptop, click to open this. Again, on your phone, this Allow USB Debugging will pop up. Select and allow this option. And that's how you cast your Android phone screen to your PC or laptop for free in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.